Foot surgery.
Brain surgery.
Fuck. Alright, let's just shoot it out. Stupid motherfucker in my damn chair. I swear to God, these brain surgeries get my whole room all messy. You read. Did you anesthetic him?
What?
Did you just hear what I just said?
Yes?
I swear to God, if you write a bad report, I'll mess up on your brain surgery on purpose. So be nice. Okay, helmet. Alright. Just in case this gets dangerous. Alright, now.
Doctor! Doctor! The hospital is all out of access. There's no way we can do surgery.
Anesthetic. Anesthetic. Get out here, you stinking nurse. I don't need you. Give me the shoe!
What?
Doctor,
What?
English hospital protocol.
What?
It's gonna be okay. Just don't squirm. That's what you get. Right, now give me the stinking nurse out of my office. Get out. Give me the head triangle cutter over thingy. I probably what am I going for? A tumor or something? Fuck this. Give me the big blade thing. I want to cut his head open. Okay. Yeah, he's out. Yeah, he's out. Ew! So mushy like. This is bad. Give me some type of give me the prod nail thingy. Yeah, that. This is perfect. I'm gonna find it. I can do this. Here it is. Ew! It's squirming! Look at that, it's squirming! I didn't think those things squirmed. I thought they just... Sorry. Let's see, how am I going to get rid of this tumor? Ah. I need the starch. You wait. Nope. This is... Squirming faster, but it's not good. Fuck it. What next? Chocolate pool stick? You want to play some pool with the tumor? There it is. Ew, that's on. You can toss that away. Get rid of that. Give me the pool stick. Give me the pool stick. I'm gonna play pool with this motherfucking tumor. This bitch is gonna get it. No, it's crusty. Wait, am I crusty? Is this still alive? It is? Yeah, still fucking alive. I'll burn the bitch out. Are you awake? Hello? Groan if you're awake. Shit, he's looking awake. Give me the weight. Don't use the nipper on the tumor in a second. Don't squirm. This is going to hurt a lot. Oh, he is so that way. Get back out. Okay, now hand me back the liquor. I'm gonna burn you some bitch. Take it, bitch. Take it. Lock it. Take it. That didn't work. Is that a taser? Ooh. Okay. Just hold it still. This could get dangerous. Alright, here it comes. Woo! Get up, you lazy son of a bitch. Fuck. He doesn't want to wake up looking in the mirror. Hey, skank nurse. Skank. Oh, skank.
Doctor, slip is my shirt.
You big kitty slut. Hold him still. God, you're big Okay, well. I'll put this kind of that. Fuck this piece of shit. Here, you take this one. Here, I'll take this one. I have an idea to excise the tumor. I'm going to shank it. Whatever, if he wakes up feeling that, you did it. Okay. Keep shocking him. Maybe he'll wake up. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Nurse, you ready for this? This tumor could come out and fly at your face, so I'd be careful. Pull it out, pull it out! Yes! Yes, go! Get it! Right there! I didn't breathe! Shit, how do I patch him up? Fuck it, leave him. Alright. Wake him up. Have a nice day, sir. My job, son. Bye.